Hey viewers, I'm working on this bike here and the shift cables are just ugly as heck, and so I want to replace them. And it's got these twist shifters. Now they sort of look like the SRAM grip shifters, but they're not. They're Shimano C101 Revoshifters. And the method to replace the cables in these is completely different. It's not obvious, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Now the cable here, it's kind of rusty, it's got some bends in it, it's fraying at the end and kind of starting to break up where it connects to the derailleur. I like to replace the cables long before this, so this is like way overdue. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the cable down here. Now SRAM grip shifters, the cable generally attaches back in this part back in here, but on these, the cable attaches under this little gray cap. So I'm going to remove this little gray cap, and that's done by removing this little screw here, and be careful, don't lose it. It's very tiny, and you want to use a very small, like Phillips head screwdriver. So just carefully remove this little screw, and don't lose it. And then this little gray cap here just kind of rotates and then comes out. It kind of like locks in like that. So now you can see the head of the cable right here. So what I want to do is I want to be able to push it out. It kind of snaps into place. So what I'll do is I'll pull the housing back here a little bit. And I'm going to use just a small screwdriver here to kind of lift up on the head of the cable a little bit and push it out there. And then as I get it out of that little hole there, I can go ahead and pull the cable all the way through like that. Now to install the new cable, I just take the new cable and I'm just going to put it into this hole where the old cable came out of, and then work it forward till it comes out of this barrel adjuster here. I can pull the cable all the way through until the head of the cable here goes in and falls right into that little spot where the old head was, just like that. Now the gray cap here is just going to go on here like this, kind of with this little part here pointed up, kind of at an angle, and then just rotate it and it'll kind of snap into place there, and then this little hole here will line up with the hole down in the body. And then I want to reinstall this tiny little screw, so you want to do that very carefully so you don't lose it. And so again, I'm using that little tiny Phillips screwdriver, and then just very carefully get in there. You don't want to lose that screw. Kind of hard to replace a little tiny screw like that. So just screw it down like that. Now from this point, everything's pretty standard. Just go ahead and put the cable into the cable housing, run it back, connect it to the derailleur and everything like that. And I show how to do that in a lot of my other videos. But that's the basic process of installing a cable into one of these old Shimano C101 Revoshifters. Hopefully you found that useful or interesting. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the little bell so you get notified of new videos as they come out. I'm always coming out with new videos. I'm over on Facebook, RJ the Bike Guy. Go over there, like that page. I post a lot of stuff over there. And I have a webpage, rjthebikeguy.com. Go check that out. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.